Hello everyone and welcome to Burns channel. I hope everyone is doing good today, and today we will be discussing about succulents aerial roots or air roots. So ano nga ba yung aerial roots na tumutubo dito sa stem ng ating succulent? And what can we do about them? Ano bang pwede natin gawin sa mga ugat na ito na tumutubo sa stem ng ating succulent? But before that, check our intro of Burns channel. Alright, and let's move on sa ating topic for today about aerial roots. So this is an Echeveria, lovely rose. So as you can notice, meron siyang air roots dito sa kanyang stem. Medyo hardy na siya. So as you can see here, hindi na siya pink yung color. And hindi na siya white, and naging hardy na yung kanyang mga aerial roots. So ano nga ba itong sinasabi natin na air roots or aerial roots na tumutubo dito sa stem ng ating Echeveria? So if you notice it, may mga succulent na tinutubuan ng mga ganitong roots because of some problems. So yes, it's not a major problem. You can correct this one. But if you can see sa ating plant, masyadong annoying na yung kanyang aerial roots. So ano nga ba yung nagiging cause ng root na tumutubo dito sa ating stem? So basically, this is not a major problem. As I said before, this is a sign that your succulent is not healthy. As you can see, nakikita niyo yung kanyang mga leaves. So hindi na siya greenish. So it turned into yellow or light brown. So meaning your succulent needs more attention. So as you can see here, ilapit lang natin. So yan, ito yung kanyang ibang mga rosette, but on the lower leaves niya may mga brownish na, ibig sabihin dried na yung kanyang mga rosette dito sa bottom part. And as you can see dito, it turning into a light brown or nagda-dried up na yung kanyang mga leaves. Okay, and let's go to the question, why are succulents forming aerial roots? So basically, ang aerial roots or air roots is a sign na kailangan ng attention itong ating mga succulent. So for this one, They occur because or may not have enough sunlight exposure. So, kung mapapansin nyo rito, and let's go to our question, why succulents forming aerial roots? So, aerial roots or air roots are forming because succulent needs your attention because of not getting enough water or sunlight exposure. As you can see this one, so kung check nyo, so currently, itong ating succulent naandito sa ating grow light. So if I check this one, so it might not have enough moisture. Ito yung stick na pan-check ko. If I dip this one dun sa kanyang soil, wala akong makitang any moisture. So probably this is not getting enough water para mag-grow yung ating succulent. So succulents absorb water through doon sa kanyang mga roots under the soil. Isa pang way para mag-grow ang ating succulent is by getting moisture outside their environment. So, if your soil is too much dry and then your environment is humid, so doon siya kukuha ng kanyang moisture. So, how can we treat or correct yung ating mga aerial roots? So, unang-una, identify what are insufficient sa ating mga succulent. Either kulang tayo ng sunlight exposure or kulang tayo ng supply ng water sa ating mga succulent. So, kung kulang ng sunlight exposure ang ating mga succulent, may tendency yung kanilang mga stem ay mag-extend or yung kanilang mga rosette ay hahaba or mag-elongated. And if you notice that if the bottom leaves or yung mga dahon niya doon sa baba, as you can see, this one. So, makikita niyo yung kanyang mga dried na mga rosette sa ilalim, the bottom part. This means that you are lacking water or moisture dito sa ating succulent. As you can see in this one, wrinkled or dried na yung kanyang mga bottom leaves. So what you can do about the aerial roots? So basically you can just pluck those aerial roots out if they are too unpleasant dun sa ating mga succulents. Just remove them. So, ganyan lang. Remove lang natin yung mga aerial roots niya. Just remove like that. Okay. Ayan. Okay. Wala na siyang mga aerial roots. Or you have the option to just cut it out. So, pwede mong putulin. But for me, I'll observe for now kung magre-recover siya. So, basically, kung i-check nyo yung kanyang leaves, hindi naman siya mushy. But, let's check it out. And then, yung kanyang mga dry leaves dun sa bottom part, just remove it. tanggalin lang natin yung mga dried na mga leaves niya. But be careful. Ayan, ganyan. So, you must ensure na you have removed all those dried leaves para hindi magkaroon ng fungus yung ating mga succulents. So, as you can see, okay na yung kanilang yung mga baby rosettes. So, natanggal na natin yung mga dried na mga leaves doon sa bottom part. And then, na-remove na rin natin yung kanyang aerial roots. So, this one, I'll observe yung itong nag-iisang extended part na to. And let's check if makaka-recover pa. After cleaning your succulent, so the next thing you need to know is how to check the moisture nung inyong soil. So currently I'm using cultured soil from plantculture.ph. So I'm poking this stick para ma-check natin kung wet ba yung kanyang soil. So currently, let's check. So dry. If you can see, walang moisture yung kanyang stick. So next thing you need to do is to water your succulents. So just pour water dun sa side ng inyong pot. So actually, this succulent is 1 month old now. So dati kasi 10 ml lang yung nilalagay kong water dito sa ating lovely rose. So you need to check yung succulent. So you need to adjust your watering maybe twice a week, but it depends dun sa ginagamit nyong medium or soil sa inyong succulents. And then after watering your succulent or giving it a moisture, you need to observe yung condition ng inyong succulents after doing that. So for me, naka-GL ako or naka-grow light, so you have the option to put it or place it outside, partly shaded. Syempre, kailangan mong mag-adjust muna. Kailangan mag-acclimatize yung inyong succulent from grow light, or if you're using grow light, going outside the actual environment or under actual sunlight exposure. So, I'll check this one. So, for now, nilagyan muna natin ng water. So, diniligan muna natin. And then, I'll observe tomorrow if I need to place it outside or kailangan natin ng sunlight for our succulent. But, that's all for mitigating your aerial roots or air roots for your succulent. So, unang-una, you need to identify if what is the problem on your succulent. Whether it is lacking of sunlight or light exposure or lacking of water or moisture. So that's all, guys, for our topic for today about aerial roots. So I hope na nakatulong yung ating tips and ating discussion about air roots sa ating mga succulents. So You need to take good care of your succulent and observe kung ano yung kanyang mga needs para ma-prevent natin yung air roots or aerial roots sa ating mga succulent. So for now, ito yung ating munang ma-share. And I'm hoping if this one helps you, please click like and share this content to your friends. And sa mga bago sa ating channel, please click the subscribe button and notification bell for future updates about succulents, cacti, and other stuff. So guys, that's all for now. So happy planting to everyone and keep safe. God bless.